In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video in Shotcut. This is a simple, straightforward process that anyone can follow, and it's perfect when you want to shrink a file size quickly without diving into complicated settings. To give you a clear idea of what to expect, the original video I'm working with is about 120 megabytes, and after compressing it, the final file comes out to around 913 megabytes. That's a dramatic reduction with virtually no visible change in quality for most viewers. Start with your video open in Shotcut and ready to go. The key here is that Shotcut's default export settings already do an excellent job of compressing your video while keeping it looking good. All you need to do is open the export panel, make sure the default preset is selected, and then proceed to export. That's it. You don't have to tweak advanced options or change formats unless you have a specific reason to. The default option is designed to balance quality and size, which makes it ideal for quick, reliable results. When you click Export, Shotcut will render your video and save it as a new file. This might take some time depending on your computer and the length of your clip, so be patient and let it finish. I already exported the video earlier, so I can show you how it looks. As you can see, the compressed file is about 9.13 megabytes compared to the original 120 megabytes, and there's not much difference in quality to the naked eye. This makes it great for sharing, uploading, or storing without eating up your storage or bandwidth. A few quick tips as you do this. Keep your original file in case you want to compare or go back later. After the export completes, play the compressed video fully to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you expect. Results can vary slightly based on what's in the footage, like fast motion or lots of detail, but for most common videos, the default export setting will do a solid job. If your project is long, you may see a longer export time. Just let Shotcut run to the end, and that's all there is to it. You've just compressed your video in Shotcut using the simplest, most reliable method, and you've seen how effective it can be in cutting down file size while keeping quality intact. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.